Good morning, Kanish. We are in San Felipe, Baja California. Checking this plumbing out. Kanish, to fix these, it'll be really difficult because they do not have carrier arms. They're just strapped to the wall. Okay, got that. You gotta demo it out, put backing, put the carrier arms. Okay. Now the toilets. Toilets are in bad condition. These guys, look at this. So once you start using them, they're gonna be leaking. The force of the water is gonna push them. They'll be leaking, okay? Showers. They're all the same. Gotta break it, get to the main, strap it. What we could do is do a cavity, okay, replace the shower valve, shower heads, and then we'll put a stainless steel plate. You have a cavity back there. All right, let's go to the next ones. Second restroom, same thing. Showers are pretty much the same, but let's check this one. There it is. Here it is. Same thing. See that? Toilets. All the same. So we need to break some tile on all of them. Strap the plumbing. Strap the main line. Hopefully it's okay. And then if we could, maybe do a stainless steel plate also. Okay? Okay. 10-4. We'll go ahead and check the other restrooms. But they're pretty much all the same.